Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add or remove the 3Ws in your website address in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page. I have two websites built using Hostinger website builder, and this website called benstestsite.com. As you see, it does not use the 3Ws. So how to add this or how to enable the 3Ws or turn it off? Simply click on this edit website button to arrive to this website builder page. Then click on more and select general settings and look for use 3Ws prefix, and next to it enable this feature. Close this slider or window and don't forget to update your website to publish this change. As you see, my website is updated. Now let's refresh this websites or this page or the web browser page where my website does not use the 3Ws to see if the 3Ws will be added automatically. Refresh. And just like that, the 3Ws started being forced in my website address or URL. And this is how to add or remove the 3Ws in your website address in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.